My name is Max Abramson. I work as a design engineer here at Norden Machinery in Kalmar, and I mostly design our 3D printed parts. This is one of the applications where we have 3D printed parts. This is a robot tool, and all those fingers that you see here, all these 5, are 3D printed. The use of this product, or the function of this product, is to pick up tubes. So each customer, for each tube they need to have a separate set of these, which are designed accordingly to their specific tubes. So the 3D printer has made it so we can design it more freely around the product, around the tube. We can also have inner channels for vacuum, so that the tube gets stuck on each one of these fingers. Vapor smoothing has enabled it to be clean and smooth, so therefore we don't get any scratches on the product or the customer's tube as we did before. It's easier to clean if we got any oil spillage on it. Before, when we didn't have the vapor smoother, they were just the raw 3D printer material, and we could often see that we had some oil spillage or something like fingerprints on them that we couldn't get rid of. And the customer was not happy with how it looked. But now we can see that we have a clean finish, a black and glossy, nice finish that is smooth and easy to clean.